Hey, good morning, guys. Mr. Short here. Today is Monday, November the 30th. Welcome back to school. I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving break and enjoyed some turkey and some time with your friends and family. This week, we're going to be talking about wellness. We're going to talk about the 8 dimensions of wellness, and we're also going to be talking about financial wellness. Also, this week, you're going to be doing some distance learning one. So the first, what we've been doing so far, this 9 weeks, you're gonna be doing the checkpoint test for those. So you're gonna have 4 very quick, like checkpoint tests, and each one of those take about 5 minutes. So roughly about 20 minutes worth of assessment for what we've been over so far this 9 weeks. So the first thing you're gonna do when you log in, you're gonna go right here to November 30th, Paxton Patterson, and you're going to watch this message, which is always right here in the message from Mr. Short. So you'll click here and you'll watch this message, and then you're going to click on the 8 dimensions of wellness. When you click on the 8 dimensions of wellness, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to tell you to log into Paxton Patterson, go to Distance Learning 1, then go to the 8 dimensions of wellness and complete these 7 steps. So what that's going to look like, you'll log into Paxton Patterson, you'll go to Distance Learning, you'll go down to the 8 dimensions of wellness, and you'll complete these here, these concepts. What is wellness? The 8 dimensions of wellness, the nutrition and wellness connection. What is occupational wellness? Finding satisfaction in what you do, volunteering, and then you have a career cluster survey and exploration activity. Okay, you'll complete that. All right, and the next step in this week's module is financial wellness. So you're going to log into Paxton Patterson, go to Distance Learning 1, just like we did, and then we're going to go, log into Paxton Patterson, Distance Learning, and then we'll go down here to financial wellness, and you'll complete these concepts. What is financial wellness? The nutrition connection, financial needs across the lifespan, maintaining financial wellness, financial decision making, tools for financial success, and then you have another activity called Who Uses Credit, which is a very good activity and very important concept for you guys. All right, so we'll go back to our module, and then we'll go to our final part of the module this week, which is our Distance Learning 1 checkpoint test. So I took a screenshot here of what you see when you log in to Distance Learning 1, and it's kind of a breakdown of all the steps you go through, all the concepts. If you notice here, there's 4 checkpoint tests. I haven't opened those up. As you went through, I wanted to wait till the end to give everybody an opportunity to make sure they could complete all the steps. So I opened all 4 of those checkpoint tests up for you this week to complete. So before you do these checkpoint tests, you need to make sure you complete this week's assignments prior to that, which is the 8. Our financial wellness, and then the first one, which, let me go back here, the 8 dimensions of wellness. Okay, so complete those 2. Then you go to Distance Learning 1, and you're going to complete these. Checkpoint test 1, home maintenance. Checkpoint test 2, home maintenance. Checkpoint test 1, health and wellness. Checkpoint test 2, health and wellness. Okay, what that's going to look like, you're going to go in like you would normally log in, Distance Learning, and then here's your checkpoints. So you got checkpoint 1, 2, and then health and wellness, checkpoint 1 and 2. And what they look like when you log in, okay, it says, are you sure you want to take this assessment? And it's a warning. It says you're about to take a checkpoint test. Failing to complete this test in a single session will result in your grade being permanently recorded as a 0. The test contains 5 questions and may take 4 minutes to complete. Please ensure you have a stable connection and adequate time for starting. Once you're prepared to start, here you would click OK, and then you would begin your test. All right. If you don't have any other questions, if you do have any other questions for me or need any help with anything, please feel free to ask me in class this week if you're in class in cohort A or cohort B, or you can message me in Canvas, or you can email me. Either way, I'll be happy to get back with you just as soon as I possibly can to help answer your questions. If you have anything at all from the beginning of the year to now, you need help, just reach out, let me know, and we'll work through it together. All right, again, I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. Excited to have you guys back at school, and I look forward to these last few weeks we have together before Christmas break and you guys start second semester. All right, you guys have a great day. Thanks. Bye.